Hey there, Elliot McCracken here with SoldByElliot.com, and I just want to thank you for checking out my website. Now in this video, we're going to take a quick tour of the website so you can learn where to find all the different resources for both a buyer and a seller and find out all the different functions and features of the website. I encourage you to kick the tires, play around with it, see everything it has to offer, and if you have any questions at any time, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Let's get started. The first thing I would like to point out to you is that you are on the Welcome to Sold by Elliot page, and after I'm done recording this video, you'll see the video right here. At the bottom of this page, which technically falls under the resources page, you're going to see the app or the text to download the app link. If you enter your phone number here, you will receive a text message to your phone with a link to download the app directly. Doesn't matter if you have an Apple phone or an Android, you'll get a link and you can download the app. Now real quick, while we're talking about the app, a really cool feature of the app is you can hit this Near Me button. Once you click that button, it'll bring up a list of homes right in your area. So for instance, if you want to take a look at this home right here, all you have to do is click it, the house pops up, you can click it again, and you can actually scroll through the photos on your phone. You ever been driving by a house and want to see what it looked like without having to call the realtor? Well, this is a perfect way to figure that out. Now, the next thing I want to point out is if you want to get back to the home screen, all you have to do is click the logo up here at the top, Sold by Elliot logo, and it will take you to the home page. Now, the home page, forgive me, my computer is going to be a little slowed down as we're recording this video, and for some reason my security keeps these pop-ups coming. But with that said, on the home page, you'll have this search menu here. It's a very basic search menu where you can click in the city, the MLS number, or the address number, or possibly a zip code, or anything like that. Real basic. You can select the different types of homes, beds, baths, minimum price, maximum price, and get a real basic search right here at the very top of the page. Now, these 4 icon tiles right here are quick searches. Multifamily, single-family homes here in Bakersfield, all the lands for sale here in Kern County, and the condos. So again, the lands, all Kern County. Condos is Bakersfield. These 3 are all Bakersfield. So these numbers right here are real-time numbers. So currently we have 491 land listings. Condos, we have 39 listings. Single-family homes in Bakersfield, we have 1,459 and 101 multifamily units. Now, multifamily consists of both income-producing properties, but mostly duplexes and truly multifamily income properties. So if you're an investor looking for your next property to add to your portfolio, this is a great place to look. Now, once you click these view list buttons, they will take you to all the latest of whatever that tile is. Continuing down here at the bottom, we have all the just listed. These are the most recent just listed homes for sale in Bakersfield. You can scroll left, you can scroll right, but again, when the default is the most current listed properties for sale. Just like these are the most current just reduced homes for sale. Now, it doesn't matter where you're at on the website, you're going to see these pop-ups. You can save these homes to your favorites. You can view similar properties, and this is not just similar properties within the area or within the price point. This is actually a smart website that has an algorithm that can see if there's things like updated kitchens or pool in the backyard or what have you. It's going to try and pull the most relevant homes similar to the one you're looking at. Again, a very cool feature, and not too many websites actually have something like this available. So if you find a house that happens to be active contingent and you want something like it, this might be a great way to find something very similar currently available. Now again, the bottom, depending on what page you're on, you may find my listing or a list of current open houses. Now let's go to the search page. This is where you can get nitty gritty with the actual search, and you can actually find a lot of cool things here. This option right here, this box, this is one of my favorite. You can actually go through the just listed, walkable. So if you want a house downtown that's very walkable, this gives you a score of all the higher homes that have shopping, schools, what have you, in a walkable distance. It's a very cool feature. Now, fixer upper. This is something that may be ready for a flip or anything like that. New construction is newly built. Open house, again, we already covered that. 55 and older, but what's cool is you have things like horse property, golf course, pool. We don't have too many waterfront homes here in Bakersfield, but that's a built-in feature of the website. Now, if you want to click the map feature search, you just click that little tab, and you can get a map search right here. So you can actually refine the search by a certain area code. You can click off what style of house you're looking for right here, and you can select the number of bedrooms and baths. But so you just want to click in a neighborhood, for instance. All you have to do is zoom in on the neighborhood you want to click. Now let's say we're just looking right here in these Ridgecrest Estates. Let's click this polygon tool is what they call it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go here, 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 and here. And then all we do is hit apply. And just like that, you'll get a list of all the homes. Now, when you see these numbers, that means you got 10 within that area currently available. So if you click on it, for instance, it'll zoom you in and you'll see all 10 of those homes. Now, a cool feature, you can click the dot, it'll pull up the properties, and if you're interested, let's say in this one, you can pull it up and actually look on the property details from there. For some reason it has my previous search already saved. Has me logged in as me, that's why. But if you wanted to recall your saved properties, you could at the top here. If you want to change your alerts, you can here. And if you want to get in contact with me, click that link there as well. Now, if you click this contact me link here, it's going to take you to my email, so you'll get a direct message to me. Now, speaking of getting a hold of me, you can also click this link here. And if you want, by clicking this link, you can actually send me a message right here. So test. And once it's clicked there, I get notified on my phone and we can have communication right away. It's real time. And no matter where I'm at, I will get back to you as soon as possible. And this is one of the quickest, fastest ways for you to get in contact with me. Now, moving forward, if you want to get pre-qualified, you can actually click my finance tab here and get connected with my lender partner. By clicking this Get Started tab, it takes you directly to his safe and secured uploading link so that you can get pre-qualified directly through his system. So none of the information comes to me. It's 100% safe and secure, and they take a lot of they do their due diligence to make sure it's an encrypted connection, very well protected, so you don't have anything to worry about when it comes to uploading your personal information. But getting pre-qualified with the lender is probably the best thing you can do next to meeting with me as your realtor, so that we can get a game plan between lender, buyer, and realtor to help you succeed in the time you need. Now, the next thing on the menu here is the Sell tab. If you're a seller considering selling your home and you want to find out the value of your home, enter your address here. It'll ask for your email, and what's going to happen is you'll get an automatic email with a property evaluation. It's a 4-page report, nothing too serious, very straightforward, quick read, and it's going to give you an instant valuation that's pretty comparable from what I've seen to many other websites. Not the big brand website that gives you really crazy numbers, but true data-driven analysis estimates. So with that said, once you sign up, you'll get a free monthly email of all the current homes for sale or homes that have sold in your area, so you can stay relevant and on top of your market, so you can time the market. And if homes are going up, you can wait, and when you see them start coming down, you can time it to sell. A really great tool as a seller, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Now, down here is a quick video I shot. It goes over my marketing plan, the things I do, and things top realtors should do to help provide value to you as a seller to make sure you're going to sell your home for top dollar. And if you want to find out more information about how to sell your house for top dollar and why to choose a listing agent, how to choose a listing agent, click that link right there and that'll answer most of your questions. The next thing is underneath the agent profile, which I'm the only agent on my website, right? But underneath there is the blog tab. When you click underneath your agent and the blog, you're going to come up to the blog or the blog page where you're always going to have the most recent blog at the top. And then as you scroll down, there's more. I try to include videos so you can always not just read but view. So maybe you're on, maybe you're anywhere for that matter, waiting and you just want to watch a video, kill time. It's a great place. I would definitely recommend you check it out. We're going to have a lot of things coming up, including local events here in the community, a bunch of buyer tips, a bunch of seller tips. So always look out for that. I'm going to try and update the blog weekly, and then maybe another one sprinkled in here and there if there's any updates regarding the market or mortgage interest rates or anything like that that I feel might be relevant to talk about. With that said, we'll keep moving forward. Our resources tab right here, you have all my trusted vendor partners. So from credit repair to title and escrow to home inspectors and home warranty providers, click the link and you will get a rundown of the company, links to where you can order, links to their websites, phone numbers to call. It's a great place to start asking questions when you're considering the different parts of the home buying process. So again, definitely a great place to go. Once you're in escrow, come back to this source. It'll be your best friend. With that said, that kind of wraps up the tour. I hope you found this very interesting. I thank you for hanging in there with me till the end. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call on my cell phone directly at 661-762-5824 or at 661-742-9345. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll talk to you later.